Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start inside Chrome. Click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings. Once in Settings, go straight to Languages. This is where keyboard input ties to Chrome. You need at least one alternate language listed. If it's missing, add it from this panel. Make sure Chrome and your operating system language settings don't conflict, because Chrome reads available input methods from the OS. Now that the Languages panel is visible, you're ready to add or modify the keyboard layout. Once in Languages, click Add Languages and select the language you want to type with, then Confirm. After it appears in the list, open its three-dot menu and enable the keyboard layouts you prefer. Chrome lets you add multiple layouts for one language. If you need a specific input method, like an IME for Japanese, enable the Chrome input methods or switch to the OS-installed IME. Make sure to remove unused layouts to avoid accidental switches while typing in web forms. Now switch between keyboards using the input indicator in the taskbar or the OS shortcut like Ctrl+Shift. Chrome will follow the active system input. Test in the address bar and a web page text field to verify characters and shortcuts behave as expected. If typing doesn't change, restart Chrome first. If that fails, confirm the layout exists in your operating system's keyboard settings and that any necessary IME is installed. As a last resort, remove and re-add the language.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.